Auschwitz.
Oh shit.
I mean, listen, you got ruined by trying to have sex with chlorine water because your skin dries out completely. Her pussy was probably dried out.
And honestly, it was your fault.
Is that the water though?
You probably just.
If she told you.
I don't know what she's trying to claim.
Scott, you just think that because they're underwater that her pussy's gonna be wet enough to stick your dick in. It don't work like that, kid. Water's not gonna get just because she's underwater with water doesn't mean your dick's just gonna go in. That's not how it works. It's not. You have to be lubed up.
It's a rookie mistake.
Yeah, you dried.
Yo, I'm telling you, water is the opposite of
you dried her pussy out with the
like
chlorine,
dryness.
and then you went in overdrive.
But okay, Odyssey. I'm not saying red is gold.
That's exactly what you said. But okay.
Water-based lubricant is present.
Every lube is
Yes,
water-based.
But it's different. It's different.
That's
It chlorine
Water
based.
is not a water-based lubricant. Water is water. Oh.
I think it's the same shit in general. In general, it's the same shit.
In general, it's the same shit.
Obviously not, because if you had lube, Scott, you would have got it in. I guarantee that. If you had a bottle of lube, you would have fucking crushed it and blew out the fucking.
Well, crushed it. That's debatable, but you would have did all right.
Yeah,
you would have put up decent numbers.
The other thing is,
hey, listen, you would have put up respectable numbers, but I don't know if you would have crushed it. I don't know. It's not go that far.
The thing is, though, I've never, ever used lube in my life.
You never
Have
used
any
lube?
of you ever used lube in your life?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Absolutely.
There's times when it's necessary, Scott.
Great.
Sometimes you do freaky shit, kid. You bust a lube out.
Have you ever used handcuffs? I have.
I'm not talking about.
Scott, butt plugs, you use them?
Time out.
Wouldn't doubt me.
Time out.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Time out.
Butt plug. Oh, look at this.
Time out. I'm not talking about when you guys need lube in your assholes. I'm not talking about
No,
lube
with the
that
girls, Scott. Yes, I've definitely used lube when I'm with the chicks, where sometimes we're just hooking up, and she goes, grab the lube real quick, because you don't feel like having foreplay. You get a little lube on, you get a little warmed up, and you start sliding it on her pussy on the outside. You don't even stick it in. You're just rubbing it, the base, and then guess what? She gets turned on, and you don't even need the lube anymore. But you can't take your dry dick, Scott, and rub it against her dry pussy. That's how you start a fire.
Yeah,
Never-
that's castaway.
Scott,
Okay?
Boy Scouts 101. How do you start a fire?
No,
Two
I've
dry
never
sticks.
done that. I've never done that.
Well, aren't you just
There's
little
only
Ron
one time in
Jeremy?
my
What do you want
entire
from one?
life.
Every now and then you need it.
Yeah, absolutely. There's certain scenarios where you definitely could use
Z,
lube when you're rubbing your dick on her pussy.
Don't tell me, Z, that you carry around a bottle of lube.
No, he has some, no
I
problem.
have
If
one
not-
next to me. I have some next to me.
I have some.
Well, that's a little aggressive, Zach. I mean, within arm's reach, what's going on?
Listen, next to me. When I'm
You said next to me,
in
I
the
mean-
drawer next to my bed.
Yeah, well, you said next to me. We're playing video games
Next
right
to my
now.
bed.
I don't know what's been going on. I've been a little silent for a couple minutes. Dude said it's right next to me.
Listen.
I know. Dude's like, I got it right next to it. He keeps it on him like a Swiss Army knife, Scott. Look at it that way. It's useful if you need it.
Yeah.
It'll do the
That's
trick if you
funny,
need it.
No.
All right, so what happened when she did that? You said, ow, stop, don't do that? It happens once in a while.
exactly.
She'll skim it. I've had it happen. It's not fun, but you move on.
No, it ends right there. I'm done.
You're so picky, man. Jesus, when it comes, you're real like, I don't know.
If a girl skins your cock,
on accident,
not
there's
done.
tons of shit, man.
Let me tell you something, Scott. There's a 3-strike policy pretty much everywhere in life. That applies there. It's not a 1 strike, you're out. What do you mean?
No.
She skimmed it once, you're done?
One strike, you're out.
You can get 2 felonies before you have to go to jail for life.
I mean, okay.
You won't let her suck your dick
I'll
after she
correlate
skims
it
your dick
with-
a little bit?
I'll
Come on.
correlate it with 3 strokes, you're out.
You're out of there. And so are you, Scott. Good night.